My name is Eddie Cortés. I had this big, giant, epic dream. My dream was to play professional baseball. Today we're going to talk about chasing your dreams. And sometimes we want to give up on chasing our dreams because it's so hard to do. Because here's the reality. As much as I loved baseball, and that was my big dream, the truth is I gave up on baseball. I gave up because it was too hard. That's the number one. You can do hard things. Every time you mess up, every time you fail, you have to decide that you're gonna learn something new from your failure. Every time you learn from your failure, you'll learn what it takes to make your dreams come true. When you chase your dreams, when you chase your massive goals, the likelihood it's gonna be hard. You're going to mess up. You might fail, but you have to make the decision that you're gonna do hard things. You're gonna be resilient. You're gonna bounce back up, and you're going to learn from your mistakes so that you can chase your dreams. Hey, my name is Eddie Cortés. I'm a youth motivational speaker. I have a fun, interactive presentation titled I'm Possible that helps students do hard things and build resilience.
Eddie Cortés is very energetic, he's passionate, and the best thing is that he has stories that can relate and connect to our students.
Eddie was high energy, enthusiastic, and he kept the engagement of the kids through the whole thing. It was amazing.
Eddie's presentation was just invigorating for the kids. The kids were so excited and engaged, and they were wanting to participate, and it was a great thing for them to realize anything they do is possible. Anything they want to do is possible.
I loved how he involved the students and he talked to them on their level, and he was engaging, and I got excited. So I loved him.
Lesson number 2, you are worthy of your dreams. I ended up giving up on baseball. I gave up on baseball altogether because I didn't feel like I was worthy of my dreams. Eddie, you will never ever become a professional baseball player because you are not good enough. Impossible or not, that was my dream, to become a professional baseball player. But from that day forward, I started to struggle with my self-worth. I started to believe that I was not worthy of my dream, that I didn't deserve it, that I wasn't good enough. And the reality is that many students in this room struggle with the exact same thing. Many of you think I'm not good enough, I'm not pretty enough, I'm not talented enough, I'm not smart enough. But here's the truth, right? You are enough. You are full of possibilities. You can do hard things. You are worthy of your dreams. You deserve to dream big and chase after your dream. Your potential is far greater than anyone's opinion of you. I love walking into schools and being that other voice that students need, a voice that just empowers them. I get to connect with them at a one-on-one level and interact with them and just help them feel super and incredibly special, like they can accomplish anything, perhaps even the impossible. And today's final lesson is that you, my friends, are full of possibilities. Here's the thing, the word impossible is actually made up of 2 separate words. The words possible. See, the word impossible implies that you are full of possibilities. It implies that you, my friends, can do hard things. It means that you deserve to dream big, that you are worthy of your dreams. It means that you can make the impossible possible. In giving up, there's an opportunity to bounce back up and be resilient. It's an opportunity for you to bounce back up and learn new things about yourself. See, in my defeat, I discovered new ideas, new passions, new interests, new dreams. And I realized that my big, giant dream to share my story with amazing students. So I bounced back and I chased my new dreams. And so today I want to say thank you. Because today, you, my friends, have made my dream come true. Thank you so much for having me. You are amazing. Gracias!